So let me ask you something. If Kali Linux changed in a way that actually improves your daily workflow, but didn't scream about it, would you even notice? Because Kali Linux 2026.1 is exactly that kind of update. No big marketing, no crazy features, but once you start using it, everything feels a little smoother, a little cleaner, a little more thought out. And today, we're going through what actually changed, what matters, and what you'll genuinely feel when you use it. Now, before we jump into features, let's talk about something most people forget. Kali Linux didn't start as Kali. It came from BackTrack. And if you've been in this space for a while, you already know what that means. BackTrack wasn't just a distro. It had a personality. It felt raw, hacker-focused, a bit messy, but powerful. And when Kali replaced it, things became more structured, more professional, more stable, which was great, but some people always felt like that original identity got lost along the way. Now here's where 2026.1 gets interesting, because in a subtle way, you can feel a bit of BackTrack energy coming back. Not in functionality, but in design, in vibe, in presence. The wallpapers, the darker tones, some of the styling choices. They feel less corporate and a little more like that old-school hacker environment. It's not something they officially highlight, but if you've used BackTrack before, you'll notice it. And honestly, it's a nice balance. You get modern stability without losing that classic feel. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated features in Kali, Undercover Mode. At first, it sounds like a gimmick. Like, okay, Kali pretending to be Windows, why? But when you actually think about it, it makes a lot of sense. Imagine you're working in a public place, a university, an office, a shared workspace, and your screen clearly looks like a penetration testing system. That attracts attention, sometimes unwanted attention. With Undercover Mode, you flip a switch and your entire desktop transforms. Taskbar, icons, layout, everything starts looking like a normal Windows machine. And in 2026.1, this experience feels more convincing, cleaner, more accurate, less fake-looking. Now here's the important part. This is not about hiding something illegal, it's about blending in. Because in cybersecurity, sometimes visibility is the problem, and this feature solves that instantly. It's simple, fast, and surprisingly useful. Now, moving on to the general experience, Kali 2026.1 feels more refined. The interface is cleaner, the wallpapers are sharper, better suited for high-resolution displays, and the overall system just feels more polished. Even the boot process, from the grub menu to the startup animation, everything looks smoother and more modern. These are small things, but they shape how the system feels every time you use it. Now let's talk about something more practical, the tools. Kali is only as good as its toolkit, and in this release, tools have been updated, optimized, and kept in sync with current security needs. Because in real-world scenarios, outdated tools don't just slow you down, they make you ineffective. So while this isn't flashy, it's one of the most important parts of the update. Now here's something that actually improves real workflows. Better SSH compatibility. If you've ever tried connecting to older systems, you already know the pain. Connection errors, unsupported protocols, things just not working. Now, with improvements in Kali tweaks, you can enable legacy SSH support more easily, which means you spend less time troubleshooting connections and more time actually doing your work. This is one of those features that only matters when you need it, but when you do, it really matters. And then there's the Kali Everything image. This is basically Kali with almost every tool pre-installed. No setup, no extra downloads. Everything is ready from the start. Perfect if you're building a lab or you just want a complete environment instantly. But yeah, it's heavy. So it's powerful, but only if your system can handle it. Now, when you step back and look at everything, you start to understand what this update really is. Kali Linux 2026.1 is not trying to impress you with big features. It's trying to improve how the system feels every day. A bit of nostalgia from BackTrack, a smarter Undercover Mode, cleaner visuals, better compatibility, and updated tools. Nothing loud, but everything useful. So if you're already using Kali, just update your system and you're already there. And if you're thinking about trying it, this version is actually a really good place to start. It's stable, polished, and easier to live with than before. So yeah, Kali Linux 2026.1 doesn't try to show off, but once you use it, you realize it quietly fixes the things that matter. And honestly, that's what makes it a solid update. I'll see you in the next one.